Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarthak Naik from the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication. I am here to report on the Constitution Day conducted by PG's Central Office.
We were blessed with eminent personalities and distinguished guests. Among them were Vice Chancellor Savita Acharya and Professor Satyanarayan Misra of KIT universities. The guest words were profoundly enlightening, offering valuable insights. Their address illuminated complex ideas with clarity, leaving a lasting impression on the audience.
Ma'am, please explain us what provisions that university is conducting on the Constitution Day and how it is helping our students.
आमे माने आज जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे रे पालन करूछु पिला मानको जणे दउछु जे 1949 मसिया रे केमिति हमर भारत रे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रथमे प्रतिपादित हेइथिला आ एथिरे डॉक्टर बी.आर. आंबेडकर आ तांकर सहयोगी माने मिसी करथिले ओ आईन गुडी को लिखाई छी संविधान रे सेगुडी को पिला माने बारंबार गोटे मने न पकेले से भूली जीवे से वर्षक गोटे दिन आज जो नेशनल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे होती पिला मानू आमे मने पके दवाई का जेते प्रकार जहाँ करवा कथा आम विश्वविद्यालय रे आमे करूछु आमर सर्व पुरातन विश्वविद्यालय और आमर जो बड़ लाइब्रेरी अच्छी परिजा लाइब्रेरी रे आमर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया रो ओरिजिनल बही अच्छी तेणु मुझे सब पिलानु कही से बही जाकि देख कौन लिखाई पढ़ किछि जानी परिबो देश विषय रे.
Constitution empowers the citizen. It provides unity and fraternity to the citizens. We have eminent personality here who will speak something about the Constitution Day.
It's a very momentous a day for all of us. On this day, 75 years back, we had a constitution for ourselves. And we moved away from the Government of India Act 1935, which was there, and we enacted this constitution. There are some very outstanding facets about our constitution. Firstly, apart from the preamble, we had two very important parts. One was the fundamental rights, which talked about the need for life, liberty, freedom, faith, secularism, and on the other we had the directive principles which talked about socio-economic justice for everybody. So there is a likely spat between the two, the rights and the goals, and the Supreme Court as the custodian of our constitution, and if I were to pick up one judgment, it would be the Kesavananda Bharati judgment in 1973, where it said that, the parliament, though it is elected by the people, can amend everything, but it cannot change, emasculate or alter our basic structure. And by basic structure, the court meant democracy, sovereignty, secularism, separation of powers. So these fundamental concepts were very, very important to the life of a nation. So lastly, I would like to mention that yesterday the Chief Justice of India has given a historic judgment where some of the petitioners challenged that the words socialism and secularism are an anachronism and should be deleted. And Justice Khanna, giving a very historic judgment, said that socialism basically means welfare. It's not socialism in the Russian Revolution sense or in the Marxist sense, but socialism means elimination of exploitation. Whatever exploitations you find in the society of the poor, of the vulnerable sections. He also mentioned secularism means you treat every religion equally and state doesn't patronize any particular religion, though we are a Hindu majority state. So these messages by the Chief Justice of India on the eve of the Constitution Day couldn't have been more timely.
A university celebrated the Constitution Day. What are your views on it? Do you find it enriching enough or are you dissatisfied?
देखंतु आमे ए 2024 मसिया जो आज संविधान दिवस पालन करूचे सेटा होची 75तम माने आमे गोटे प्लाटिनम जुबली सेलिब्रेशन करूचे किंतु वर्तमान पर्यंत 75 वर्ष आम संविधान सहित आमे କିନ୍ତୁ ସମସ୍ତ ଲୋକ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ହଉ କି ଯାହା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ଏକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ନାହାନ୍ତି। ମାନେ ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ ସମ୍ବିଧାନକୁ ନେଇ ବଞ୍ଚାଯିବ ଲିଭିଂ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ନେଇ ବଞ୍ଚିବାର ଶିଖି ନାହୁଁ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଲୋକମାନେ ସମ୍ବିଧାନକୁ ନେଇ ବଞ୍ଚିବାର ଶିଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି। ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ବିଗେଷ୍ଟ ଥ୍ରେଟ୍ ଟୁ ଡେମୋକ୍ରେସି।
This is Sarthak Naik with camera person Arya Kumar, PG Council Hall, MJMC, Utkal University.